Hey everybody, how you doing? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this video, I'm gonna go over how to protect yourself from crypto scammers. Yes, you heard that right. How to be careful on social media like Twitter so you don't lose money. Period. And I know it sounds basic, but even the top dogs lose millions of dollars, thousands of dollars in NFTs, cryptocurrency every day, or in an exploit or something like that. And it all can start with a weak social media strategy. Once you start in crypto, you have to understand that people can just make a profile and make it look like yours. Impersonation is so huge. And as a content creator, you're gonna see right now, and hopefully you can still stay awake because it's insane. Go ahead and smash the like button and consider subscribing, everybody, to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. For example, here on my Twitter account. My account is not as huge, of course, 1,350 followers, not big, but there's some other accounts that they have 10 to 20 copycats, and now you need to find the original, the official one. Thankfully, at those levels, you have the check mark on Twitter, and you can recognize among all the copycats, right? But it's not the same thing sometimes on Instagram. So I will suggest when you come to your profile on crypto, come to messages, and you want to try to hit the gear button. And right here, either you don't want anybody to DM you, that is key, because these are some of the DMs I've had. Some of them are legit, but I have another section that it's pretty much the low quality messages and all the scams. Do not click on any links. I will suggest just to avoid them at all costs, because chances are they just want to steal your money, have you click on a website, follow a form, put your address. That's basic. Just don't do it and you will be fine, right? So just allow messages from everybody. Boom. And in my case, I don't have this, because if I had it on, you will see on the top of my here messages requests. So these are people. Some of these are people that are just requesting to send. Sometimes it's no bueno. Got it? That's one. Second one, I have Instagram. And Instagram is another one. There's a bunch of scams, a bunch of impersonation. For example, my profile for my account is 179 followers, right? I mean, it's basic. I don't have too much going on. That's totally fine. But what if I just start doing Oscar Ramos? That's my name. What do we have here? Well, we may have a few of them, they have my name, of course, but there it is. Here's one. And this person has 5,000 and it's impersonating me. And of course, that's not me. And you can take a look at some of the tweets. So imagine if somebody falls into the trap thinking that this is me, and there it is. So you don't fall into it. Just make sure you do not reply, you do not engage to I oftentimes have messages or invitations, because I have it on request mode, from Max Maher here. So if I'm not mistaken, this is the official guy, but this person, this YouTuber, has so many, if not hundreds of copycats on Instagram. So it's difficult. I believe this could be the original one. It's very difficult, So be careful on Twitter, be careful on Instagram, and do not click on any links if they DM you, right? Sometimes you will see the check mark, and that's gonna be amazing. For example, for Graham Stephan, there it is. You see the check mark? So he's, 3 million plus subscribers on YouTube. Definitely he's gonna have a blue check mark. Once you see this, you're good to go. And there's gonna be a bunch of them. Graham Stephan, if we do this, Graham Stephan, if I click here, I'm forecasting a bunch of copycats, right? So don't do that. That'll be great to save your money. And last one, Discord. And here's where things get tricky, because Discord, it's just a oasis for scammers. Let me show you. So I have my Discord server, and there's so many Discord servers right here. As soon as you join one, the first thing you have to do is come to the official page on top, to the link, click on this drop down, and come to privacy settings, and click the allow direct messages to off. Turn it off, because once you join, it's on automatically, but oftentimes you leave it like this and you start getting DMs, and no, never. Chances are the admins will never DM you first. The ones that are DMing you are a bunch of scammers that are inside of the server. So just can you imagine all the people that see the newcomers? Sometimes, for example, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this back off. Privacy settings. There it is. So most of the times, I'm gonna go to per se. Let's go to this one, Club Crow. Usually they have a welcome or a start here. Welcome, here it is. So all of the people who join for the first time come here. So a scammer will just see who is coming in, and they will DM them knowing that they have that notification privacy setting to on. So if they are mimicking or impersonating an admin, that's a way for you to fall into their hands. So now you know to protect yourself, because it happens a lot. So do not fall into their as a prey. DM on Discord, yes, on Instagram and on Twitter. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.